Good morning, Jared Sigler, Junk Ass Barbecue. It's a beautiful day. Sun's coming up. South of Funk, Ohio. We're gonna get the brisket going here. It's important to always do a functionality check of your equipment before you start any important undertaking like smoking a brisket. You know, brisket's pretty expensive, but so I was doing a functionality check here on my smoker, and it appears as I don't have any temperature control settings. So we're going to closely monitor it after we get the brisket on and see where we're going to ride on the temperature. I have to put my digital thermometer in the top and see what happens. Got everything all laid out here. Got the water in the thing, got the bin, the racks in there. Should be good to go. Gonna go ahead and I got soaking wet charcoal, soaking wet hickory chips, and we're gonna get in there, put those in there and get the brisket on. Brisket's dry rubbed in the house. The wet charcoal, we're gonna see how that works out with my non-controlled thing. That doesn't work anymore, so that's fantastic. But so I evenly mix the charcoal, put the it's hardwood lump charcoal soaked in water. Slow the smoke down a little bit, and then I also smoked some hickory chips and went ahead and put those in, fill in the voids in the hardwood lump. I'm going to set the top on, go get the brisket, put it on, turn it on, let it roll. As you can see, I got my brisket out here. It's rubbed down with brown sugar, paprika, a little bit of chili powder, garlic salt, garlic powder, a little bit of oregano. So as you can clearly see, it's going to take a little bit of doing to get it in the smoker. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down. We're going to go ahead and get that thing in there, and then we'll show you a picture of it before we lit it. And get it. So as you can clearly see, I said it was going to be a tight fit, and it indeed was. What I did to help keep the meat off the sides of the smoker was I utilized those handles on the rack on each side, kind of folded it up in the middle. Now I did put all the extra seasoning on top because it's all going to add to the flavor. This is fat side up, and the reason why you want to have fat side up in your smoking brisket is that it bastes meat for the entire day. So we're going to put the lid on. We're going to get a good bit of smoke rolling out now. Our target temperature is between 225 and 250. Right now we're about 190 degrees, so we're nearly there. But we're just going to let it roll. Now, depending on how much smoke flavor you want, I do have more chips to be able to put in later if I want. But if you don't like a lot of smoke flavor, this is an electric smoker, so just let the smoke run out and then finish cooking the brisket the rest of the way. Cooked brisket should be about 165 degrees probed, fully cooked. Then it should be ready to... Little midday update here. Sun shining, a little cloudy. It's about 70 degrees here, south of Funk, Ohio. Fantastic. Now the brisket's coming along. I added the rest of my chips that I had soaking. Had to open the thing here, put them in, do a secondary smoke session. As you can see, we're running about 216. That was up around 230 here the other day before I went in to get some stuff going on here. So we'll go ahead and kick that back up a skosh. That way we can keep rolling here. Fighting a little wind, as you can see. 216 seems a little low. I have to make sure my outlet's still on, but gonna have a good brisket here coming on this evening, and we're gonna check it out. So see what's going on. So I checked the temperature, and we came in at a nice 170, so that's done. Check it out, see what it looks like. Good news is, when I stuck my temperature probe hole, still got plenty of juice flowing out. Looks pretty good. Let's take her inside. As you can see, plenty of juice flowing. It is tasty. It is amazing. Excellent bark build up there where I had the extra seasoning on top. She's tasty. So thanks for joining me on another episode of Junkcast Barbecue. It's the first inaugural episode of 2019. There will be more to follow. I'm going to try to put out more episodes this year rather than last year. So thanks for watching.